Hello everyone, this is Stanley from Apple Machinery. I am glad to be here to introduce our high-speed rotary die pack machine. The model number is MR8200R. This machine is suited for several kinds of pre-made pouch, such as stand-up pouch, zipper lock pouch. As you can see, there are auger feeder alongside with the machine. So this set of packing line is for powder product. There are 8 working stations on the MR8200R. Let me explain one by one for you at first. The first working station is to give bags.
The horizontal bag magazine is for zipper lock pouch. After the machine running, the arms suction cup will suck the bag, move to the machine clamp.
For changing bag size, there is black hand wire. It only takes 1 minute to adjust the width of bag feeder magazine. The second station is for printing date. The stand date printer is a digit ribbon type. Another simultaneous function is to open the zipper lock. The third station is to open the pouch. The machine can open both top part and the bottom part of the bag with rubber sucker. These movements are controlled by air cylinder. The fourth station is to fill the product.
This is auger feeder. It is especially designed and manufactured for powder. The touch screen is very easy to operate. Through the servo motor drive screw rotation. To measure the purpose of feeding material.
And there is the bottom back vibration device to let the product flow through the bottom of pouch. In this station, if you need dust collector, we can supply it for you.
The fifth station is spoon feeder. It can be customized according to the different shape and size of spoon. And it is customized with rubber arm to put spoons into the bag.
The sixth station is regularly for closing zipper lock. This machine is also equipped with air adjusting device to remove the air from bag. The seventh station is always for straight line heat sealing. For the last station, it is for reticular line heat sealing. Twice heat sealing movements can make the bag entry more tight.
As you can see, the packaged products look great.
In conclusion, our company majors in rotary type pre-made pouch packing machine for 20 years. And we get the largest market share in China. Please feel free to contact with me if you need any help.